Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered why some businesses make decisions that seem almost magical, like they knew exactly what customers wanted before customers even asked? That's not magic. That's data analytics. But here's the truth. Success in analytics doesn't come from just looking at numbers. It comes from following a clear, structured process. And today, we'll walk you through the 5 key steps of any data analytics project, steps that turn raw data into powerful insights.
Step 1. Define the objective. Every great data project begins with one question. What are we trying to solve? If you skip this step, you'll waste time collecting the wrong data. A good objective is specific and measurable. For example, instead of saying, "We want to increase sales," you could say, "We want to understand why sales dropped by 15% last quarter." Clarity here guides everything that follows.
Step 2. Collect the data. Once the objective is clear, it's time to gather the information that will help you answer the question. Data can come from customer surveys, transaction records, social media, website analytics, or even external sources like public datasets. The key is making sure the data you collect is relevant and trustworthy.
Step 3. Clean the data. Here's the part that most people overlook, but it's absolutely critical: data cleaning. Raw data is messy. It has missing values, duplicates, errors, or inconsistencies. Imagine making decisions with a GPS that gives you the wrong location. That's what messy data does. Cleaning ensures accuracy and reliability so that your analysis doesn't mislead you.
Step 4. Analyze the data. Now comes the exciting part: digging into the data. This is where we use statistical techniques, algorithms, and even machine learning to uncover patterns, relationships, and trends. Analysis turns raw numbers into insights. For example, you might discover that most of your repeat customers come from a specific region, or that a certain product drives the highest profit margin.
Step 5. Visualize and share the findings. Data without communication is just numbers on a screen. That's why visualization matters. Charts, graphs, and dashboards help translate complex insights into clear, compelling stories that decision-makers can act on. Remember, the goal isn't just to find answers. It's to make sure the answers inspire action.
So, to recap, the 5 steps of a successful data analytics project are: define the objective, collect the data, clean the data, analyze the data, and visualize the findings. When you follow these steps, you transform data into a roadmap for smarter decisions, better strategies, and greater impact. Now, here's my question for you. Which of these steps do you think is the most challenging and why? Let me know in the comments.